Shorty, check this. Impress. Don't stop. Everybody. Shorty, check this. Impress. Don't stop. You know what it is. 기다리던 시간이 다 됐어. Move. You better back up.
1, 2,
Action.
Hey Eli, I hope you're having a good day and I hope you get to spend time with your family. For this video, all the Kiss Me worked really hard and we put a lot of effort into it, so we hope you enjoy, and we've also prepared some questions for you. We would really appreciate if you could answer some of them, and I just wanted to wish you a happy birthday and I love you. I hope you have fun.
Hi, 生日快樂 Selamat Hari Jadi and happy birthday.
안녕하세요.
생일 축하해요. Okay, hi Eli, 生日快乐.
Hi, お誕生日おめでとう。はい。
Happy birthday, Eli Oppa. Okay, so my birthday present to you is my turtle impression. You ready for this? Okay, I hope you have an awesome birthday and you're awesome. 사랑합니다. Bye.
Happy birthday, Eli. Lots of love from Rocketboxx. So I want to wish you a happy birthday and I hope you enjoy it and spend it with the people you love and care for. Happy birthday once again. We love you from Rocketboxx.
That sucked. But anyway, thank you for making us smile, Eli, and happy birthday. By the way, one of the ways to make us smile is that pigeon face imitation, which I still suck at. But happy birthday, funny, amazing boy, Eli. Happy
Kiss y'all. It's the new beginning. Yes, we gon' make the history. Let's go. Everybody get your hands up high. Ain't nobody can hold us down. It's not gonna work. Don't even try.
Yo! Hi Eli! Happy birthday! I just want to wish you all the best on this special day of yours. I hope that you have a great day and that each year will get even better for you. Please stay happy and keep on smiling that beautiful smile of yours. I love you. Bye.
Hello. Happy birthday!
Hi Eli. Happy birthday.
Hi Eli, happy birthday!
生日快乐.
生日快乐.
Okay, yeah, that's my birthday. Okay, bye.
Bye.
Happy birthday, Eli. I'm going to sing this in a different way. 생일 축하합니다. 생일 축하합니다. 생일 축하합니다. Eli. Happy birthday. 사랑해요.
What's up? Happy birthday to my extraordinary, lovable idol, Eli. And for your birthday, I'm gonna show you.
You're more liva, you're more liva, you're more liva ut I 100 år. Jag ska leva, jag ska leva, jag ska leva ut I 100 år. Grattis Eli!
Hi Eli, happy birthday. I hope you're doing well and I hope you have a great day today. Bye, take care, love you.
can't explain in 15 seconds how much Yuki's means to me, but I hope you have a good birthday.
Hi Eli, the world's future best singer and actor. Happy birthday! I wish you a successful year and stay healthy. And I wish you kids can top all the music charts in Korea and worldwide and do another Asia tour this year. And please don't skip out Hong Kong this time. You kids fighting, Eli fighting!
Happy birthday, Eli!
Happy birthday, Eli!
Wish you all the best
On this wonderful day,
Spend it well
and wisely,
Lots of love
and lots of love.
We love you!
Hello. Do you know what today is?
March 13th?
No. Well, yes, but no. Well, let me tell you what today is. It's Ken Day! As well as Dawn Duck Day and Check Your Batteries Day.
Just kidding! Happy birthday, Eli! Click here to receive your free virtual birthday cake, and I hope you have an awesome, awesome one. Okay, bye!
Hi Eli, happy birthday. I hope you got to spend it with friends and family and that you got to eat some yummy cake. Love you, thank you for being such a great oppa. Because fighting, God bless.
Hey Eli, when I see your face, there's something on my face. There's not a thing that I would change. What I'm trying to say is that boy, you're amazing, just the way you are. Happy birthday, Eli.
Happy birthday, Eli. I want to wish you a happy birthday and may all your wishes come true, and I hope you have a good birthday spending it with your loved ones and friends, and I wish I could be there to celebrate it with you, but I can't. So happy birthday. I love you.
Hi Eli, happy birthday. Hope you have a good one and spend it with your members and maybe get some presents from them. But I just want to say that I love you and you kids so much, and I hope that your comeback is amazing like you guys always are. And I wish you the best of luck. Happy birthday! Bye!
Hey Eli, happy birthday. I hope it's awesome for you. I just wanted to tell you that you're super gorgeous and lovely and so funny. I'm sending so much love and support towards you and UKISS. I wish you guys so much success in the future, and I know you'll do well. Just keep being who you are. I love you boys so much, and I can't wait to see you soon.
Moi Eli, erittäin hyvää 20-vuotis syntymäpäivää täältä kaukaa Suomesta. Ja pidä huolta itsestäsi, perheestä ja kaikista muista YKISSin jäsenistä. Rakastan sua!
Hi Eli, we wanted to wish you a happy birthday. Hope your day is really, really awesome. Yeah, enjoy your birthday. Yeah, we love you. Bye.
Hey Eli, or should I say Eli? Or maybe I should say LA. Yeah, your name gets spelled wrong a lot, but I'm going to stick with Eli. So happy birthday, Eli. I hope you had lots of fun watching all of those awesome videos. A lot of people really do love you a lot, and we wish you all the best. More success to you and UKISS, and then God bless you more and more and more. You deserve it so much. Lots of love. Bye.
Pump it up.